Welcome. In this video I will show you how to change date and time in BIOS on LG Gram laptop. First of all, turn off your device completely and then power it on by short pressing the power button, and before it starts booting up, start repeatedly pressing the F2 key. And once you see the BIOS menu on the screen, you can navigate here using left and right keys to switch between tabs, and up and down arrow keys to switch between options. Now, in the main tab, you have to select either system time or system date to change the value, or either system time or date. You have to use F6 to increase the value and F5 to decrease it. Once the value is changed to the one that you need, press Enter to go to the following value, and then you can also change it using F5 or F6 buttons. The same goes with the year, and in the very same way you can change the system time on your device. To reset default values, you have to press F9. If you want to save and exit, press F10 and then Enter. If you want to exit without saving, you have to press Escape and then select Exit Discarding Changes and press Enter. However, I highly recommend setting the date and time only to the correct values, the correct ones for your time zone, as by setting date and time to incorrect values, you will make many online services like, for example, Google, unavailable for you because they require date and time to be correct on your laptop. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.